Hi children, welcome back to our English class. Today's class we are going to see the topic from the grammar topic, active voice and passive voice. So we can convert the active voice into passive voice for these 8 tenses alone. So today we will see how to convert the active voice into passive voice for the simple present tense. So let's see the structure of the active voice in the present tense. So the structure is like this. In the for the active voice, subject plus verb plus object. So in the passive voice, the object becomes subject of the passive voice, and next the verb will change into the verb 3. Before that we should add the present tense auxiliary verbs, and next we should add by, and the next the subject of the active voice change into object of the passive voice, and the next, so while we converting the active voice into the passive voice, so these are the subject will change into like this. For example, if the subject is I in the active voice, it will change into me in the passive form, and we becomes S, and you become the same thing, and then she becomes her, he becomes him, they becomes them, it becomes the same, and who becomes whom. So like that. And then next, this is the past participle table. So this is verb 1, this is verb 2, and this is verb 3, past participle table. So drink is a present verb form, drank is a past verb form, and the next drunk is a past participle, like that. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Feed, fed, fed. Feel, felt, felt. Fight, fought, fought. So when we convert the active voice into the passive voice, we should use this verb form, past participle verb form only we have to use in the passive voice. Let's see example. See here, so this is active voice and this is passive voice. So the sentence, look at the sentence. Subject, I is a subject, write is a main verb, a letter is a object. So when we convert the active voice into passive voice, the object will become subject of the passive voice, a letter. So while we converting the active voice into passive voice, we have to concentrate the object, whether the object is singular or plural, like that. So here a letter is only singular, so that we added here singular auxiliary verb form is, and then next we should write the past participle of the main verb write, we should write return, and the next later we should add by. After that the subject of the active voice become object of the passive form. So while we converting, the I become me here. Let's see some more examples. See first sentence, Roja reads newspaper. So this is active voice. So see, Roja is a subject, reads is a verb, newspaper is a object. So while we convert this active voice into the passive voice, the object becomes subject of the passive voice. So newspaper, So newspaper is a singular here, so we added singular auxiliary verb form is. After that we should write the main verb read. Okay, so the spelling is same here, but the pronunciation is different, read. So past participle verb form also read. Okay. read, read, read. Okay, and the next we should add by. After the by we should write the object. So what is here the subject of the active voice? Roja. So if the subject is a naming word, we should not change anything else. We should write the same thing here in the passive voice also. Okay, then let's see second one example. See here, she helps me. Subject, verb, object. So the object will become a subject of the passive form. So me become change into I. So I, after we should use auxiliary verb form am. After that we should write the past participle verb form helped. After that we should use by, and later the subject of the active voice she become change into her in the passive voice. The next third one example, we play cricket. So here cricket, so cricket is a object, play is a verb, we is a subject. So the object, what is the object here? Cricket. So it will become subject of the passive voice. So cricket. So we are talking about only the game cricket alone, so we should use the auxiliary, singular auxiliary is. Cricket is played, past participle verb played by. The we become change into as in the passive voice. The next fourth one, they learn lessons. So look at here, they learn lessons. So this is lessons is a plural form. So when we convert the active voice into the passive voice, we should be aware of writing the auxiliary. So okay, so because we write here lessons, so lessons is a plural form, so we should write the auxiliary, plural auxiliary, or after we should write the past participle verb learnt. After that we should write by, and the next the subject of the active voice they become change into them in the passive voice. And the next one example, you listen music. You listen music. So here you is a verb, sorry. You is a subject, listen is a main verb, and the next music is a object. So the object becomes subject of the passive form. Music is listened by you. So the objects like you and it will not change. We should write the same thing only in the passive form also. Okay children, I hope you understand this lesson. If you have any doubt, you can call me and I will clarify your doubts. Thank you. Thanks for watching.